mention just a few of the ayat of Quran regarding this act and supporting this act.
وَلُوطًا إِذْ قَالَ لِقَوْمِهِ
Lut alayhi salam, he is talking to his people, condemning this act of fahisha. He says this is a condemned act of immorality that nobody before you did. He's telling his people about homosexuality that you lay.
إِنَّكُمْ لَتَأْتُونَ الرِّجَالَ شَهْوَةً مِّن دُونِ النِّسَاءِ
يعني للرجال, يعني you go to men with shahwa دون النساء, instead of women you go to men with these actions. Verily this is committing a great sin. So the condemnation of Lut to his people and what happened to them and how Allah destroyed them is clear in the Quran.
فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَهْلَهُ إِلَّا امْرَأَتَهُ كَانَتْ مِنَ الْغَابِرِينَ.
Yani Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and we saved his family except for his wife. Why was his wife not saved? She was from those who turned back. What does that mean, turn back? She supported, even though she didn't engage in those acts of homosexuality, but she supported the LGBTQ, whatever acts of homosexuality that were going on with the people of Lut.
ضرب الله مثلا للذين كفروا امرأة نوح وامرأة لوط.
Yani Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about those women who were disbelievers. An example, the believing woman, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives the example of the wife of Fir'aun, but from the disbelieving women He gives the example of the wife of Nuh and Lut. Now what is important is what punishment is given to the wife of Lut here in the Quran.
وقيل ادخلا النار مع الداخلين.
She will be told, enter the hellfire with those that enter it. The wife of Lut. Tayyib, why? Did she go and worship idols? Did she go and practice homosexuality? No. What we know from the Quran and Sahih Hadith is she supported the Qawm of Lut against Lut alayhi salam. She gave them news. She supported the LGBTQ, whatever that you want to say, those people acting, even though she didn't do it, but she supported it. In the Quran it says she will be entering the hellfire. So as a Muslim, you cannot support LGBTQ. This is what's in your book. If you want to change that, if you want to take that and edit it and try to go around it and find new, why don't you just leave it? I'm just serious. Look, if somebody has such tendencies and they naturally have them, that's understandable. They need to work through that, whether it's through counseling, whether it's through making dua or whatever else they need to do. But to act on them is no different if somebody has feelings towards bestiality or other types of perversions. Somebody may have those, but to act upon that is a sin in Judaism, in Christianity, in Islam, in these faiths. And to support that sin is not permissible for a Muslim, a Christian, or a Jew. This is our religion, we're going to stick to it, and we have the freedom to say this. We have the right to hold our opinion. If somebody has the right to support such actions in this country, then we should have the right of freedom of speech to say that we don't support it. And we shouldn't be ashamed of that. Don't be like the wife of Lut. Don't be like the wife of Lut, that because of your support of such things, you can enter the hellfire. May Allah protect us.